All right, I am back to simplifying radicals. So when I simplify square roots, when I break down the numbers and I use my factor tree, I'm looking for pairs in a square root. That's because the root is 2. Both of the examples on my screen are cube roots. They have a root of 3, which means instead of looking for pairs in my factor tree, I'm going to be looking for 3 of a kind. So if you know how to build a factor tree with square roots, you're going to do the same thing here. You're just looking for 3 of a kind. So starting with 16, you can break it into whatever you want. 4 times 4. I'm going to do 8 times 2. Again, you don't have to use 8 and 2. You can use whatever, because as I break it down, we'll have the same thing anyway. So 8 is 4 times 2. And then 4 is 2 times 2. So now I have got to the end. I can't do anything else. I can't break down any of these 2's. So I'm only looking at the ends of my branches. Again, I'm looking for 3 of a kind. I know that I have 4 of these 2's, but I'm looking for 3 of a kind. So you just put 3 of them together. It doesn't matter which 3. And then I underlined the one that we have left over. So the 3 of a kind is what comes out. If you have 3 2's, the 2 is coming out. So that's that 2. And then this is a cube root. Whatever you have left over stays in. And so since it was just a single 2, that'll stay in. And that is my answer. We're going to do a similar thing with the second one. You can break this up multiple ways. I'm going to use 9 and 12. And then you just keep breaking it down from there. I can't break down 3, I can't break down 2. So at the ends of my branches, I've got 3 3's and 2 2's. We're looking for 3 of a kind again. Oh my gosh, this stupid computer. Okay. So I've got 3 3's, that's my only 3 of a kind. If you had multiple 3 of a kinds, they would all come out and you'd multiply them together. But I've just got the 3 of a kind coming out, which was 3 3's. And then I've got 2 2's left over. Each 2 comes out, or sorry, each 2 stays in, sorry. And you multiply them together. So that would be your final answer. Now I'm going to do one more. This is a 4th root instead, so you can probably guess what we're going to do. We're looking for 4 of a kind instead of 3. I'm going to use 4 and 48. I know it's thrilling watching me write all these numbers on the screen. Okay, so we've got a lot going on here. We've got 6 2's and a 3 at the ends of my branches. We're only looking at the ends. We want 4 of a kind, so we're going to put 4 of those 2's together. And then we've got a 3 and 2 2's left over. So the 4 of a kind comes out. And then what we had left over was 2. That's a 2. Oh my gosh, another 2. and a 3. Multiply your 2 times 2 times 3. Oh my gosh, come on, I'm at the end. That's a 2. That's 12.